time to do an unboxing, as well as to show something else I got in the mail recently. But I'll save that for the end of the video. Let's see what I got off of eBay this time. Alright. Now this lot I had come across on eBay, and it's kind of interesting because the person actually did a double offer, in the sense that he had discounted it once and then offered a second discount on top of that. Huh. A little interesting, the couplers are different. I mean, I thought they were the same in as regular N scale ones. Yeah. Let's see, what's the make? Well, they're made in Germany. They're Arnold and Rapidos. Uh-oh. Oh. Thought we had a loose item for a sec. Oh, I see what it is. I think on some of these, the couplers might be broken, so I might have to switch them out sometime. Yeah, it's not coupler, it's coupler housing. Yeah. Whatever. I bought them as a used lot. I know they're not. I knew they wouldn't be perfect, but you know, I still like them. Ooh. And this one will be a first for my N scale. My first tanker car. And what package wouldn't be complete without an engine? But let's go ahead and take these over the track. I don't know how the engine would be hooked up to them. I think it's just used for pushing them around, but we'll hook up those that we can and take them for a lap around the track. And here we are over at the track. Now, I'm not going to try and run both these engines at once. I just wanted to put the one on the track to show a little size comparison, because I noticed that the one I got seemed to be a little bigger than a normal N scale. So, I don't know if it is N scale, but we'll give it a test drive. Okay, we got a noise from the engine. Let's up the voltage just to... Oh. Ah, he's one of those. It's the same as my H1244 here. It likes to run in the different direction than the other ones. Let's get... Okay. He's going to need a little bit of a cleaning and working, but he seems like he'll be an easy project. We got the cars that I could up on the track, so let's go ahead and hook up the engine. Now I know I said I was going to use that one there, but considering, while that one is a German engine as well, I figured I'd use one of my other ones. Now, if you notice, it is facing the other direction than what I usually run. Found out my engines like to run that way, and when they do, they can make it up the incline here and go up and around the outer loop as well. Oh, give me 1 sec, I forgot to put some other blocks in. Alright, let's go ahead and first let's make sure all the switches are lined up. There you are, so let's go ahead and send it on its way. Right now that is operating at 40%. I'd say it's pulling the cars quite well. And of course, as I say that, hits a dead spot. Just wanted to show it a little of it running at high speed there. And there we go. And now to show the envelope that I got as well. Alright. Now, as a few of you might know, I support someone on Patreon. And I hit the 3-month mark. And with that, because of how they have it set up, I get something from related to their channel in a sense. But let's make sure it's all out. Yep. And here's what I got sent. As you can see, it's a lovely decal for GFW trains. What I'm gonna attach this to, I'm not quite sure yet. Really don't want to waste it or anything, obviously. But, yeah. I've been watching him for GFW for a little over a year now. I've always enjoyed their live streams and all. So I figured I'd sign up for his Patreon as well. Help support him a little. But that's it for this video. If you haven't checked out any of GFW Trains' videos, I do recommend watching them. And if you're able to, catch their live streams. Till next time, I'll see you on down the line.